So we're going to talk about a product that we brought in for a giveaway, specifically the Porsche GT3 giveaway that we actually carry full time because we found it's incredibly useful and it's just nice to have, and that's the seat shield. So if you've never seen this, if you don't know what it is, it's basically a cover for your seats in your car. So as you can see, it's a really big, kind of looks like a towel, but it has this pocket on the back that fits over the top of your seat. It has this nice lining, it's machine washable, and basically it's just a really nice thing to have in your trunk. I like to have 2 or 3 of them just in case I have people riding in the car with me, and it's just a really high quality cover. Again, if you get greasy, you get dirty, maybe you go to the gym, you get sweaty, this thing will stop it from getting on your nice leather seats. So basically you just take it, throw the top over your seat, kind of lay it out. It's wide enough that it'll fit comfortably over most seats, but I would recommend still kind of pushing it into the edges like that. And as you can see, it's just a nice barrier that protects your nice leather from all the sweat and grime and things, and it actually stays in place really well when you sit in it. So again, this is something we brought in for the giveaway, just kind of as a fun thing, but we found that a lot of people really liked it. We liked it. We thought, why don't we just carry these things all the time? There you go. If you haven't picked one up, I highly recommend you do. And you can get it at obsessedgarage.com. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments or email support@obsessedgarage.com.